Now, Kenya is mobilizing resources for implementation of the Integrated Agro-Industrial Park projects, an offshoot of the larger Third Industrial Development Decade for Africa framework. The Principal Secretary for Industry, Juma Mukhwana, says the initiative will strengthen the country's manufacturing capabilities to promote sustainability.
The government aims to increase the contribution of manufacturing to the economy from 9.2% in 2017 to 30% by the year 2030. Among the sectors that are expected to drive this growth are the textile and leather sectors, fish and agro-processing, oil, mining and gas, iron and steel, the construction industry, and the information and communications technology sector. To this end, the Principal Secretary for Industry, Juma Mukhwana, says studies are currently being undertaken in integrated agro-industrial parks in Ethiopia that will help provide a receptive business environment. This, he says, will ensure agricultural output is maximized, increase farmers' incomes, and develop more sustainable livelihoods. Furthermore, he called on UNIDO to expand their program for country partnerships to other African countries to ensure widespread inclusive and sustainable development across the country. He encouraged UNIDO to align the deliverables of the Third Industrial Development Decade for Africa with those of the African Continental Free Trade Area. Dr. Mukhwana noted that in 2022, more than 250 projects valued at 8.9 billion shillings, excluding interregional and global portfolios, were under implementation in Africa under the wider framework for the Third Industrial Development Decade for Africa. Nduta Mokami for Prime Edition.